Hi, everybody. So, one project that did not go as planned for me was uh, actually during my first job, where I worked on optimizing logistic routes for battery shipments. And the goal was to reduce lead times and transportation costs while meeting strict safety compliance standards. And at the start, the project seemed straightforward, but things started going wrongly pretty quickly. The biggest issue was lack of clarity in scope and communication, and the customer requirements kept changing midway. Sometimes delivery timelines, sometimes packaging standards, but there wasn't a structured way for these changes to flow to all teams. And operations was working on one version of the requirements, logistics had another, and customer success was promising something different to the clients. And as a result, routes were planned and reworked multiple times. We ended up with delayed shipments, rising costs, and frustrated customers. But from my perspective, it is frustrating to see that the effort everyone was putting in wasn't translating into results. For the rest of the team, it created stress and even some tension between departments because everybody felt like they were working hard but nothing was aligning. And the experience taught me a few valuable lessons. First, communication checkpoints are non negotiable. Even a short weekly alignment call or a shared project dashboard could have ensured the changes were visible to everyone in real time. Second, I realized the importance of change management, documenting and agreeing on any scope changes before executing further. And finally, I learned how critical it is to step back and rescope when things are spiraling instead of just pushing forward. Even though the project was tough, it gave me a clear understanding of how easily a supply chain can be disrupted by misalignment, and more importantly, how strong processes and communications can turn things around. So that was my experience. Thank you.